In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the rear interior door panel on your Nissan Armada. Located inside of the vehicle, let's get started. We're going to be using a small flathead screwdriver. We're going to be removing this little lid right here. We're going to go ahead and wedge it in between. We're going to hold on to the handle and pop it out. Just like that. Now we can see that there's going to be a 10mm bolt right underneath that panel. Go ahead and remove it. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and take it out. We're going to go ahead and use a plastic trim tool, and we're going to be popping off this little handle. We're going to wedge it in between right here. We're going to slide it up. Now twist it to remove the panel. Now we can see there's going to be two 10mm bolts right underneath that panel. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and remove them. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to go ahead and remove this grommet. Wedge it in between. And pull it out. Now we can go ahead and remove this other grommet. Using a flathead screwdriver, we're just going to go ahead and wedge it in between and just pop it off. Now we can go ahead and remove the panel. We're going to start by prying on the bottom. Go ahead and grab onto the panel, pop it off, and now we're going to work our way around it. Once you have it in this position, simply grab it and just move it away from the panel. Now we can go ahead and disconnect the back of it. Now we can go ahead and disconnect the door handle. Go ahead and pop it out from the top. And after you pop it out from the top, you're just gonna go ahead and slide it out. We're gonna do the same on this one. Just like that. Now we can go ahead and disconnect the tweeter. You're gonna have a squeeze type connector. Go ahead and do that and slide it out. Just like that. Using a plastic trim tool, we can now go ahead and take this off. Disconnect the window switch. Now we can disconnect this one. After that, grab the panel and move it away from the vehicle. And here's the panel. We can go ahead and plug the door back in. We're going to start with the bottom connector. Line it up. And plug it in. Now we can install the window switch. And now we can go ahead and put this clip on. Go ahead and install this one. Now we can connect the cables to the door handle. We're going to start with the bottom one. You're going to notice it's going to have like a little ball. You're going to go ahead and slide that in and then clip it in place. Do the same with the top one. Just like that. Now we can go ahead and install the door panel. We're going to start on the top. Make sure it lines up evenly. And now we're going to work our way around to clip it in place. When you do this, make sure you don't feel any resistance. If you do, you're going to go ahead and take the panel back out and just take a look. Make sure there's nothing in the way. Now we can go ahead and install these two screws. Do not over tighten these. These are going onto plastic. Now we can go ahead and install this piece. You're going to line it up. And you're going to go ahead and squeeze it together to lock it in. Just like that. Now we can install this 10mm bolt that goes right on the handle. Do not over tighten that. Now we can go ahead and install this copper. We're going to start by pulling on the door handle, sliding it in, and just clipping it in place. Just like that. We can now install this grommet, slide it in, and push it in. Now we can go ahead and install this grommet. And that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.